Hello everyone and welcome back to Mexmew. I'm Mex. Have you ever worried that your phone's camera might be secretly spying on you without permission? The truth is, there are hidden settings that allow apps to take photos or videos without you ever knowing. In this video, we are going to lock down your camera access completely so that not a single app can spy on you. Please support this video by clicking like and subscribe. Let's secure our privacy right now. Step 1. Let's check the secret permissions of your camera app. Open Settings, go to the Apps menu and find Camera. Enter the Permissions section. Most people think the permissions shown here are enough. But if you tap the three dots in the upper right corner and select All Permissions, you will see that the camera has full access to the internet. This means the camera could silently send your photo data to the web. To prevent this, go back to the app info, scroll down, find the menu Change System Settings, and turn it off immediately. Don't worry, this won't affect your camera when you actually use it, but it will prevent the app from turning itself on illegally. Step 2. Limit background activity. Go back to the camera menu, select the battery section, and change it to restricted. This is crucial, so the camera app doesn't stay awake in the background, which drains your battery and triggers spying access. Final step, let's control third-party apps like TikTok, Facebook, or Messenger. Go to Main Settings, select Security and Privacy, then tap Privacy. Here, you can see exactly which apps have accessed your camera in the last 7 days. Tap Permission Manager and select Camera. I strongly suggest, do not give permanent access to any app. For apps like Messenger or Instagram, choose the option Ask Every Time. Now, every time an app wants to use the camera, your phone will show a permission request. You are in total control. No app can peek without your consent. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Mexmew. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with those closest to you. I'm Mex, stay vigilant, and I'll see you in the next video.